Unlike ordinary potato chips, these are engineered with incredible precision.
These perfectly shaped chips look simple, but their factory process is unlike any other potato chip.
Every chip is designed to have exactly the same shape. Today, we're going inside the factory to see exactly how Pringles are made.
Unlike traditional potato chips, Pringles start as a specially prepared potato-based dough.
The dough is rolled into thin sheets before being cut into chip shapes.
The iconic shape is complete. Next, you'll see how these chips become crispy and golden.
Precise temperatures ensure every chip has the perfect crunch. After frying, excess oil is removed before flavoring begins. This is where every flavor gets its unique taste. The chips are now perfectly cooked and flavored. Next, you'll see how they're stacked and packed into the famous Pringles tube.
Is the seasoning consistent enough on this one?
Yes, that looks perfect. Log it.
The throughput on line 3 is dropping. Adjusting the feed rate now. Looks stable. We are back on schedule.
Every chip must be stacked perfectly before packaging begins.
The automated system ensures that every stack of Pringles slides perfectly into the iconic tube, maintaining the crisp, unbroken shape our customers expect.
Every tube Pringles is filled with precision to maintain consistency.
And so the journey concludes as thousands of Pringles make their way to the towering shelves, ready for distribution across the globe. Like a river of red, the production line moves relentlessly, a testament to modern automation and the people who run it.